What Alltrna is bringing to the tRNA field is a limitless look at what is possible with a tRNA.
tRNA is first love, so whenever I heard about the opportunity of making a drug out of tRNA, it seems like a dream come true.
That's what's really exciting, because this is utilizing tRNA is another way to fix miscalculations in our genetic algorithm.
It's a miraculous molecule. It chemically connects the reading of genetic information to the functional components of proteins, which are the amino acids. My name's Rachel Green. I'm at Johns Hopkins University in the Department of Molecular Biology and Genetics.
My name is Tracy Johnson, and I'm a professor of molecular cell and developmental biology at UCLA. I'm also the Dean of Life Sciences there.
Tracy studies splicing and transcription and their coupling. She's fun to talk science with. She's serious. She has all these qualities that I like in a scientist.
Having Rachel as part of this team that was one of the first things that really drew me to working alongside her and as a member of the scientific advisory board, to be part of a team with this wealth of experience across RNA biology, thinking about it in different ways, and having real experience taking RNA from the bench to the clinic. It's hard to imagine a better group of people.
I'm Melissa Moore, and I am the Chief Scientific Officer of Scientific Affairs at Moderna. I'm also a professor at the University of Massachusetts Medical School in the RNA Therapeutics Institute.
Melissa Moore has touched on almost every aspect of RNA biology.
One of the reasons I went to Moderna 6 years ago was because mRNA at that time was an entirely new potential therapeutic modality. And in that time, in the last 5 years, it has panned out to be an amazing therapeutic. And I think that tRNA, so where Alltrna is at that same place where Moderna was about 5 years ago.
My name is Anastasia Kravova. I'm professor at the RNA Therapeutic Institute.
Anastasia Kravova is my colleague at UMass Medical School. She is an expert on chemical synthesis of RNA and how to deliver small RNA molecules.
With tRNA and Alltrna vision, it's a platform technology which potentially can develop the drugs which can help develop disease-modifying treatments for thousands of diseases where currently there's nothing available and it's huge unmet medical need. And there's no other approach which can provide the treatment at this time.
If things go as planned, there's many genetic diseases that could be targeted by this methodology.
This idea that we could take a molecule that we've all heard about, we've learned about, we teach about, and there's so much possible for modification and manipulation to tune it in order to treat pretty much any disease.
We're only just starting to touch on the possibilities of what you could do with tRNA molecules.
One of the things that distinguishes Alltrna from other organizations, I think, is something that might even be overlooked in some realms. Just the culture, the philosophy of interaction and collaboration. There's just a feeling of camaraderie and inclusiveness that you don't always find in other organizations.
I go to their weekly leadership meetings, and it's really given me a perspective on the company from the inside. It's young, and it's vibrant, and it's new ideas, and there's not many people, and everybody has to take on lots of different roles, and everybody's part of this. You feel this cohesion.
It's super high quality science done by advanced methodologies and a lot of critical thinking and level of energy, enthusiasm, and competence. You see it at every team within a company. And it's fantastic. This is what is going to make this company successful.